Hey! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi 10 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Start by accessing Play Store, clicking on the search bar and typing Magic Fluids. Now you need to install this app from this developer and just open it. Then click on those three lines at the bottom right corner, select Settings and tap on I accept. Over here you can adjust your wallpaper however you wish to. When you're ready, click at the top right corner and bottom one again, but this time select Set as Live Wallpaper. Click on Set Wallpaper and decide if you wish to see it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by clicking on one of those options. So now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!